Guys, you don't have any reason to blow your accounts any longer. Now this is the best strategies to trade volatility 75 index on 1 hour time frame and record consistent huge profit. You understand? Then this strategy has been paying me over and over, and I decided to share it with you guys. So you need only one indicator to record consistent profit trading volatility 75 index on 1 hour time frame. Now this is how the strategy work. On my screen now you will see two sections. Now here what the WPR indicator section. Do you understand? So I will show you the settings towards the end of the video. Now this is how the strategy work. When you see the green line of this indicator, WPR indicator, crosses the pink horizontal line from down upward, that is what a buy signal. Do you understand? Confirm buy signal. Do you understand? So on my screen now, this is what I mean. This is what the horizontal pink line of WPR indicator, and this is what the green line of the indicator. Now when you see the green line crosses from down upward, that is what a confirm buy signal. Do you understand? So the point where the correction occur, that is where you need to do what? Make your buy entry. So you need to do what? Make your buy entry from the point where the correction occur. This is where the correction occur here. So you need to do what? Make your buy entry from that point. So this is it. This is the point where the correction occur. Are you seeing it? So that is where you need to do what? Make your buy entry. Do you understand? So make your buy entry from that point of correction. Look at the correction here. So this is where I want you to do what? Make your buy entry. This strategy is high profitable. Is what? Highly profitable. Now you can use 1:5 risk to reward ratio. You can use 1:6, can use 1:4. Do you understand? Depending on your account size. Do you understand? So this is what a highly profitable strategy I am dishing out to you guys free of charge. So like I said, this is where you need to do what? Make your entry and do what? And record the massive profit. So you choose according to the risk to reward ratio you are using. Yeah, put your stop loss here. Do you understand? So this is what a high profitable strategy. So we move now from here. This is what a sell signal. This is what a confirmed sell signal. The point where the green line crosses the pink line, that is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. Do you understand? So on my screen now, this is where the sell signal occur. From this point of green line crossing the pink line, that is your sell entry. You trace it up. This is where it occurs. So you do what? You make your sell entry from that position. Do you understand? So as you can see, this is a high. This is, see it's still selling. Do you understand? Look at the point where you enter. Are you seeing it? This is the point of entry here. Do you understand? And this is a high profitable. Now this is a buy, another buy entry. This is what? Another buy entry. So you make a buy entry from the point where the correction occur. Like I said, this is a highly profitable strategies. So it has been paying very, very well. So I decided to share it with you guys free of charge. You understand? So make your entry, buy entry here, and this is what? Massive profit, as easy as that. Do you understand? All right, so that's how you continue recording massive. Look at this one. This is a sell entry. Do you understand? And this is massive profit. Right, that is how you keep on recording massive profits with this strategy. So as you can see, this is the look at this. This is the current chart now. This is the current chart, and this has been selling. This has been buying all the way from here. Are you seeing it? So it has been buying all the way from here. This is massive profit. You understand? So guys, this is what high profitable strategies. So this the settings here, what the settings for the WPR indicator, the period is 150. Period is what? 150. Now pixel, 3 pixel, that is style, 3 pixel color green. Here what the level, minus 50, minus 49, minus 48, minus 47, minus 50, 46. So that is all about the settings for Williams present range indicator. So once you're done setting it up this way, you will continue recording massive profit. So don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit and change their trading history. Like as I said, you don't have any reason to blow your account any longer. Do you understand? Make use of this strategy and keep recording massive profit. Do you understand? Thank you.